Want to delete WordPress from Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Website section and go to the Websites list. Select the website where WordPress is installed and click on the Dashboard button. On the next page, click on Website again and select Auto Installer from the menu panel. You'll see WordPress listed under the Installed Applications section. Click on the three-dot icon next to it and select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. You can also select all three checkboxes for a complete removal before clicking Delete. Once confirmed, WordPress will be permanently removed from your Hostinger account. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for exclusive deals on Hostinger. That's how you can delete WordPress from Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.